How to fix Roblox Unknown Error. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also getting Roblox Unknown Error on your device, so in that case what you need to do is first just head over to your settings, and on your settings of your screen of your device just head over to apps section and simply search in for Roblox application just like this and just select it, and make sure to click on this storage option and just hit the clear cache and clear data option button over here. And once you do all of that, restart your application, and if it's still not working, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Roblox, and make sure you have updated your application to its latest version. So if there's any updated available just like this, simply click on update and make sure to update the application so that you can avoid such any bugs which are preventing you from opening the application or making your application run properly. So once you do that, your application of issue problem regarding Roblox should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.